Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, finished in a sleek Mesa gray exterior with a contrasting blue interior. It runs and drives exceptionally well, thanks to a solid drivetrain featuring a 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck has been fitted with several new performance and maintenance upgrades, including a new Edelbrock carburetor, new spark plugs, a new radiator, and a new battery, ensuring reliable performance. For improved ride quality, it comes equipped with new Monroe shocks. It also features Hooker long tube headers connected to 3-inch straight pipes, giving it a deep, aggressive exhaust note. Inside, the cabin has been updated with a Pioneer head unit and speakers, offering a modern audio experience to complement its classic appeal. Although currently not installed, the rear bumper is included with the vehicle. Number 2. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This truck is a solid, well-maintained pickup with a clean title and current registration. With 210,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a dependable daily driver, thanks to its one-owner history and regular upkeep. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and reliable V8 5.0L engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. As a rear-wheel drive model, it delivers comfortable handling, ideal for both everyday driving and light-duty hauling. Finished in red with a clean gray interior, the truck boasts a straight body and presents a great opportunity either for restoration or to be enjoyed just as it is. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, new cap, plugs, and wires, as well as a new air filter, ensuring it starts easily and runs strong. Number 3. 1978 Toyota pickup, price $5,650. Powered by a dependable 4-cylinder engine and equipped with a manual transmission, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well with no known mechanical issues. It was recently purchased from an elderly gentleman who clearly took great care of it over the years. The vehicle retains its clean California title and is currently registered with valid tags through 2026. The truck's tires are in good condition, providing confident handling and road performance. Inside, the interior remains in nice condition, showing only minimal signs of use and reflecting the truck's gentle ownership history. The body is solid and in decent shape overall, maintaining its original character with no major damage or alterations. This is a truly clean and honest example of a classic Toyota pickup perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a reliable vintage driver. Number 4. 1994 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,950. Powered by a robust 8.0-liter V10 gasoline engine with 189,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a clean Carfax and a full set of service records, this Ram has been carefully looked after throughout its life. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, power windows and door locks, tilt steering, and cruise control, providing both comfort and convenience for daily use or heavy-duty tasks. The exterior is finished in a bold red color, complemented by a clean gray interior. It rides on a new set of Mastercraft Corsair MXT tires, and the brakes are in good condition. This truck combines durability, power, and utility, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable full-size pickup. Number 5. 1972 Chevrolet C20, price $9,800, with 87,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in gray with a matching interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 402 big block Chevy engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and a Dana 60 rear end with 3.54 gears, making it a powerful and capable rig. The current owner has had the truck for the past 10 years and has kept it in running and driving condition, but is now ready to move on to a new project. Performance upgrades include a 750 Holley double pumper carburetor, full exhaust with Patriot headers, and Flowmaster mufflers, giving the truck an aggressive sound and strong performance. It also rides on a fresh set of new tires, making it road-ready for its next chapter. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, featuring a striking red exterior matched by a red interior that gives it a timeless, uniform look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 305 cubic inch V8 engine, equipped with an Edelbrock carburetor and air filter for improved performance and throttle response. The engine is paired with a straight-piped exhaust system, giving the truck a deep, aggressive rumble that enthusiasts will appreciate. It comes with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive, whether around town or on the highway. This truck runs on gasoline and sits on a set of new 35-inch tires that not only enhance its rugged stance but also improve its off-road capability. The current owner reports that the truck was driven approximately 80 miles back and forth to work several times a week. which speaks to its reliability and drivability on longer trips. Number 7. 1981 GMC 2500, price $4,000. This is a classic heavy-duty truck that has traveled approximately 300,000 miles. It features a blue exterior and matching blue interior, with an automatic transmission and a 350 small block V8 engine running on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a brand new carburetor, new taillights, new headlights, a new starter, and a new ignition system. It also includes a new seat cover and is fitted with a straight-piped exhaust for a more aggressive sound. Although the truck shows some rust, it is overall in good condition for its age. It comes with a clean title and offers a solid foundation either as a reliable workhorse or a candidate for restoration. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet K10, price $8,500. It has traveled 166,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission and a striking black exterior, giving it a classic yet bold appearance. One of its standout features is the set of 35-inch Dick CPEC tires, which have low mileage and provide excellent off-road capability and durability. Under the hood, this K10 is powered by a 5.3-liter engine originally from a 2003 Tahoe that also had 166,000 miles. The engine has been thoughtfully converted to run with a carburetor, featuring a rebuilt carburetor from Pro Carburetor in Oklahoma City, ensuring reliable performance. While the truck boasts many new parts throughout, it still needs some finishing touches to be fully complete. Despite this, the truck runs and drives smoothly, demonstrating its strong mechanical condition. It is backed by a clean green title, which is currently in the owner's name. Number 9. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,600. This truck is a reliable and smooth-running 4x4 short bed truck equipped with a manual transmission. Although the odometer is not currently working, the previous owner reported that the truck had approximately 190,000 miles on it. A replacement V6 gasoline engine with only 120,000 miles was installed, and the engine bay is visibly clean and well maintained. The truck features a white exterior paired with a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. Its manual transmission provides a more connected driving experience, and the four-wheel drive capability makes it versatile for various terrains. Overall, this Sierra is a strong performer with a solid powertrain and a clean, classic look. Number 10. 1969 GMC C10, price $9,500. It is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, controlled by a Hurst autoshifter, delivering a smooth and responsive driving feel. Finished in sleek black on the outside with a clean tan interior, this C10 stands out with its timeless color combination. It sits on classic centerline wheels, adding to its vintage appeal. The truck is equipped with bucket seats for added comfort and style, and all the original windows are still intact. A brand new gas tank and fuel lines have recently been installed. Remarkably, there is no rust anywhere on the body, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. The sale includes many new extra parts. This 1969 GMC C10 runs, drives, sounds, and looks great, and it comes with a clear Arizona title.